Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, my kid. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, my Kelly.
Oh yeah, look at that. New phone check. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. My dad also got me coffee this morning.
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah.
What's that? What are you?
I said I was just telling them how my dad got me coffee this morning.
Oh, I got coffee.
I got the cinnamon almond milk foam. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss.
Coffee.
Got something from Milk. Don't know what it is. We're gonna open it together. Oh my god, it's from Alicia! What? Cute! Wait. She goes, happy birthday, my Kelly girl. Wish I could shower with you. Shower love. Can I read? Shower you with love. I wish I could shower you with love in person, but this seems like the next best thing. Love and mix to you. XO, XO. Aww. Alicia. Cute!
Ooh, it's so cute.
Cute!
Oh my god.
Yum!
Should we try one?
Holy crap, yes. Oh my god, thank you, Alicia. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my god, which one should I try first? Okay, we're gonna try the confetti cookie.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. Yum! Cookie time. Mmm, just as sweet as Leisha. Yum!
They smell so good. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my god.
Yummy.
Yum.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of tastes like a cake pop.
Yes.
Oh my god. Yum. Mmm.
So good.
Okay. We're gonna go enjoy these. We are back from a busy day, you guys. We had a busy day since I last checked in. What did we do? So, I had breakfast, as you saw, open the prezzies. And then we went to like Old Naples and we got some badass coffee. I got the badass mocha and it's like, I think it's like dark chocolate and milk and no, white chocolate like mixed together. But this super sweet subscriber, we were DMing and she lives in Naples. And I was like, girl, give me some recommendations. And she said to go to Badass Coffee and I was like, that is right up my alley. So I went and it's so, so cute inside, as you probably saw from the montages. But yeah, if you guys have ever been to Naples or you live in Naples, feel free to send me some suggestions because oh, look at this! What is this? Cute! Let's open it up. Oh, look, that's so cute! Oh, look at a little candle. What the heck? That is so freaking cute. That's amazing. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this, you guys. Are you kidding me? We've got the cookies. We've got this banging freaking.
We got this beat.
Yeah.
We got the beat.
Anyway, what I was saying was, before they called me down to view this pretty little thing, I think we are just gonna sit outside for the rest of the day. And yeah, we went to lunch. It was really fun. Now we're gonna chillax. Dayling Wednesday.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Happy birthday, dear Kelly. Happy birthday to you and many more. Woo! Ryan, can we sing again? Happy birthday to you. Everyone get the friends. Mom, come in the friends. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelly. Happy birthday to you. Thanks,
That crushed up
guys.
graham cracker?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay, who's cutting the slashy? You are.
Mmm.
Okay, I would like my name.
Oh, that's my chocolate.
This is like a deep cake.
Mmm. Sassy cake.
Sassy
It's sassy
cake.
cake. No shell.
Sure. Take it. Eee. Nice. Good morning, oh my god. Hi. Good morning, everyone. We are currently on our way to go get acai bowls. I am so excited because I saw this place from Kate from TikTok and she lives in Naples and I was like, oh my god. Liz, did you want to say hi?
Hi.
Anyway, I'm so excited and we'll show you guys when we get there. Who's excited? I'm excited.
I'm
I
excited.
haven't had an acai bowl since like the summertime. Since like the summertime. That was beautiful.
Kate and I actually harmonize very well together.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, so who thinks that we should start a girl group?
She's a lover like a pipe bomb. She's got the pink sunglasses, high heels, gonna walk it out. Mary Jane.
Liz, what did you get?
I got the cacao. So it was cacao, acai, bananas, maybe blueberries. And then I added in spinach, and on top was granola, cacao nibs, almond little slivers, strawberries, and honey.
And I got the A-B&J bowl, which is like acai, blueberries, bananas, strawberries, almond butter, and almond milk. And then they put like hemp seeds and banana and coconut shreds and
top.
blueberries on top. Very delish. Yummy. Okay guys, that is it for today's Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this little birthday episode. Huge shout out to my parents and Liz and Ryan and my friends for just making this the best day ever and for filling it with love, for all the kind words and well wishes and birthday presents. Thank you so much. I love you guys and I hope you enjoyed this video. Just wanted to reiterate how grateful I am and say thank you to you all who wished me a happy birthday. And yeah, just what a great day. It was a great way to turn 24. Way better than I thought it was gonna be after this year, you know what I mean? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Mwah. I love you guys. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.